With the master data information, you can define master data hierarchies, which is hierarchies based on the master data on the items. This means if you look at this hierarchy as an example, we have a bike shop that I've defined with mail bikes, and in the mail bike section on level 1 we have city bikes on level 2, Colibri, electric flow, and so on further down. Within the city bike we have a 7-gear bike, we have 3 of those. Within Colibri we have 7 gear. Further down, if you look at the mountain bike, we have a 7 gear and a 20 gear, and this way data can be calculated in here automatically. If I'm refreshing my hierarchy, refresh it with items like this, you can see all the items in here. This is all based on a setup automatically. All the entities with creation type auto is made automatically. I could also add data manually in here. So if I want on the top level on my mail, I would like to add some bikes, I could add items to the hierarchy. I could say that I want some of the items to be displayed on the top level of my web page. So I could just add them like this. Let's just take 2 of them because those are the most interesting ones. So on my web shop or wherever I'm using this hierarchy, I could add them, and I can see on the creation type those are added manually. But if I add new items or change specifications on the item, they will move around in the hierarchy and be placed the correct areas of the hierarchy depending on the master data. And this means if it's automatically created here, the city bike here will be a Nexus 7 city bike, mail bike, otherwise it wouldn't be placed down here. So it's all created on manually and automatically, and it's created by what we call master data groups that I will show you in other videos. You can see here in the example we have one web shop that I called a bike shop, or one hierarchy. It could be a web shop, it could be whatever hierarchies you want, where the order is on level 1 a gender, level 2 a bike type, level 3 a gear. This is how I want my web shop structure hierarchy to be structured. But I have another web shop for mountain bikes where I only have web shops on level 1, then gear, then material, because on the mountain bike side I'm not interested in the bike type and gender, because it, of course, in the mountain bike shop in itself, so I can create different hierarchies. And this means if I'm scrolling down to look for my mountain bike shop down here, data that I can use here on my mountain bike hierarchy, I can see another structure. So you can make as many hierarchies as you want to with this functionality.